class is in sitting position. So letter A, bring the client into the edge of the chair. Dalunin mo siya sa edge of the chair. So kani man siya ang weak, kani siya ang magpaulahi. Kani man ang weak, kani maguna, then ang atong good na asaluyo. So inana. Push the good to the floor, then move forward. Caregiver in the back. Okay, so inana kami siya, kani siya. Then this one, ay sali siya gamita. So where is your? Okay, dili ni. Okay, then kini issues as a strength. Bring the client to the edge of the chair sa siya. Push the good leg to the floor, then move forward. 1, 2, 3. So ana lang sa ha. Nganong iuna nato siya class? Because this is serve as a barrier. Pwede man ni siya class madisgrasya. So what do you mean by disgrasya? Ma-fracture itong yung buong dinhi. Sample bangil, no? Mabangil siya. So that is why you forward the weaker leg and you move backward the leg. Okay. Then class, what is the position of the body? This is called squatting position. Di ba ka na malingkod ka sa iyong bowl? Di ba nag-squat ka? Okay, wala ka ni anak. Okay, wala ka ni bila, di ba? Then, push this arm class and the good leg to stand. Okay, caregiver at the back. In class, use the crutch as the instrument for holding the strength to the weaker side. 1, 2, 3, stand. Okay, so sa position ni weaker leg. Una. So pwede na ito gamitin na ni class ang kick 2. Pwede na ito gamitin na ni class ang 3.8. Pwede na ito gamitin na ni ang 4.8. In this position. So, transfer the other crutch to the side. Then again, crutch stance. If you like to walk. So, what is crutch stance? The tip of the crutch class is 6 centimeters away from the small finger. Then the elbow class flex 25-degree angle. Then the crutch pad is 2 finger breadth. How na siya gitawag o crutch stance. Now, let's use our 3.8 pattern. What is 3? The tip to the partial and the whole. Okay, so we will use the partial, no? So stretch mo yung leg, J. Then crutch with a weak leg. So crutch with. Okay. Sige. Ayun pag tiklo dili imong force, J. Okay. Crutch with weaker leg. Okay, ayun ana. Alay, J. Ayun ang back. Dili imong force. So, stretch na. Okay. So, crutch with weaker leg. Okay. Sige, crutch with weaker leg. Okay. So, that is the 3-point pattern. Now, we would like to go to the chair to sit down. So, sit down na punta. So, this is letter B. Crutch from your belly to sit in the chair. To sit in the chair. Mugda, Miss J. Mugda. Ha? Use our 3.8 pattern. So, crutch, weaker leg, move forward. Crutch, weaker leg, move forward. Then, pivot. So, crutch with weaker leg. To you. Crutch with weaker leg. Okay. Crutch with weaker leg. Okay, crutch with weaker leg. This is 3.8. Now, 6 inches away from the chair, you do the turning. Pag abot to nimo nga 6 inches na ka, away from the chair, you do the turning. So, turn ka, J. Okay, pivot. And then, okay, so this is the weaker. And this is the crutch. So, crutch and weaker, backward. Crutch and weaker, backward. Okay, then upon the back of the knee touches to the chair, pag ikaw na daw yung knee touches to the chair, okay, ayos sa GLS ha. Style. this one class, transfer here, same manner. Delete na siya. Then, this one, i-andam niya, i-flex ni, then straight forward. Straight forward. Okay, ayaw kanto, kailangan ko. Then, flex this one, and sit down. That is how to sitting down position. So, what to do, class? In a period of time, imo siyang ipa-push, and imo siyang ipa-push backward. 1, 2, 3. So, kanina din mo ka-oban, class, ha? All the time. Because this one, class, is to hold the crutch. Then, I would like to ask to you, this time, class, ang ato bang client, mag-provide ba siya sa iyang position? Yes, in case you are waiting for anybody or you have your transaction. So, you have to assess this weaker leg. Asa ni mo i-assess, class? Put it on the top of the crutch. And aron siya makapahuway. Then this one, class, in the leg. This is to maintain your weaker leg in a best position. Kani ba siya, class? Maghaway ba ni? Magnumb ba ni? Yes, this is, again, experiencing numbness. But class, it is paresthesia. Dili ni mo siya masense na na siya discomfort because this leg, class, is paresthetic, meaning to say, class, you do not have any feeling of pain. So, wala siya mga painful stimuli. But again, class, mas strain siya kung hindi mo siya mapapahulay. So, this is the position of your weaker leg when the client sit in a longer period of time. Okay, pwede ba niya bali-balihan? Pwede ba niya ibutang dito sa pikas? Oh, yes. Pwede siya. Sige, Miss J, ibutang. Okay. Murag-murag na hitabo. Di ba sometimes, class, when you sit in a period of time, how you leg? So, sometimes, class, the client waiting for you for a transaction. It's either in the back or it's either any places where you like intend to walk. Now, let's proceed to going upstairs. So, going upstairs, class, in the stairs, paingon ta sa taas. No? Mag-usaka ta sa taas using our crutches. So, this time, ato iba, stand si Jet. So, the same manner, Jet, dire mo i-hold si crutch. This is this one. And, butang sa pikas. Hold niya, position properly. Then this leg, kini, put into the chair. Then, dili na nato siya ibutang ha. First, push good leg to the floor. Then, move forward. And last, extend the weaker leg. And 1, 2, 3, stand. Okay, so this is 2 sitting and 2 standing. Now, we're going to move to the upstairs. Sige, good sa Miss Chick. Going upstairs. And down, going upstairs and going downstairs. Going upstairs and going downstairs. So class, in my own class, I have the tagline for this one. Good going to heaven, bad going to hell. But naibag ko karon nga natun-an sila Mercy. Good. So, patas ako si Mercy. Okay, class. Letter A ha, letter A. Client stay in the edge of the stairs. So, edge man is the stairs. So, client stay in the edge of the stairs. So this is the affected and this is the unaffected. Now, good go to heaven, bad go to hell. So where is the good? This one.
Good, go
So,
upward.
Maguna si good and magpabilin si kini si Kratz ug si unaffected magpabilin ha. Kini ang maguna. Assess. Okay, steps to the edge of the stairs. So, okay, kana ang position ni
Good.
kuan
Good.
Good go to heaven. Sige. Okay, going to upstairs. Good go to heaven, move. Okay. Then, followed by the okay, good go to heaven. So, kani si Kratz o kani si Wicker magpabilin. Ha? 3-point gate. Next. Okay. So, asa mo stay si caregiver on the back. In case there is a fall,
Sagang.
sagang ka din. Sige, go ahead. Okay, now, let's move downstairs. Balik. So, do not forget the term. So, dili nasad ka mo assess. So, this is the weaker, ha? So, Kratz and the weaker. Okay, so that is the Kratz and Kratz. So, this is the 3-point gate.
Lahi si Kuan.
Kuha na? Okay. So, do not forget, good go to heaven, bad go to hell. Na isa ka term, ana, unya na manhinduman ko na ni Miss Mercy. Now, use
Basta,
your 3-point
basta ang
gate.
pasaka, good ang mag-una, ang paula, ang pagpababa dayon, ang
Bad.
bad ang magpauna.
Okay.
Ang
Og ang crutches.
Okay, bad and crutch,
Bad and
magdungag
crutch.
gina sila. That is why, step niya ang good first, then, the crutch and the weaker leg will on the back.
Follow.
Okay, then, pag naog niya,
Scratch, scratch una
crutch
o
and the
kang
weaker,
bad.
then, followed by the
Go.
good. Or this is only for the newly installed orthosis. Kaya ito itong bago sila nga orthosis. Pwede na nato siya gamitin. So this is the parts of our single. Ano naman yung tag-single class? Muna inyong giterm na tungkod. No? Si tungkod class, the same na siya adjustment. Kaning adjustment class, this is for the greater to canter. Ha? Katong adjustment ganin na class kay 100 greater to canter to form our elbow in 25-degree angle. So, this is the greater to canter. Muna siya ang purpose ani. Ha? This is the height of our elbow. So, saan mo siya pag-change class? Muna siya i-open. Then, you have to change. Kaya kung hindi mo siya i-open, lock man eh, hindi mo siya ma-change. So, open and back. Bira lang. Let us name the part. So again, this is the pirol. Kini. So, pirol class or your suction tip. In class, this is the adjust. Na siya term, ani, you do the searching ha, na siya term. And this class is height of the greater to canter or your hand grip. No? So, this is our greater to canter. Then this hand grip class should be in your greater to canter level. So, hand grip. This is the suction or the pirol. And this is the height. So, gusto ka ubus-ubusan mo, just open the valve and adjust the height. Here. Okay, bira lang na mo. Gusto ka, taas kayo, gusto ka mubok-mubok, push lang mo class, and that is your desired height. And back. So, what is this? Single K. Now, move to the quad K. Ano gitawag siya? Quad class. Kay upat lang leg. Did you notice last that this side last is extended? Diba? And this side last is flat. Mo ni siyang side na diha sa imong body naka-position. Kaning naa duha nga naka-extend mo siya mo support in case there is a imbalance. So, this is hand grip. Look at the hand grip class na siya mga naka-engrave, di ba? So, this engraving class is your finger. So, same class, index, middle, and the ring. Kani si gamay class, support lang na din ha. Di ko na siya stanigan, ha? And the thumb on the top of it. So, wala siyang purpose, ani. Dili siya pwede class nga mag-inanay ka, ha? This is the position. Kaya kung inanaon mo, asa man ang thumb? Makuan siya, mo-extend, ba? Okay, the position is this one. Okay, now, how to change this position into the other side? Dili na ka mo open. So, if you like class, example, diri ang kani ang weak, diri man mo siya i-support, imo rin siyang i-turn. Kaniya, siyang i-turn. Open din then i-turn mo para dito na siya paingon sa imo ha. Using our knob. Kita nimo class? Na siya diri naka-position. And then, we are going to adjust. So again, the hand grip is within the greater trochanter line. Where is your greater trochanter class? Kanang imong head ball. Okay, then lock. So head ball. Hindi naka-side. So, opposite ang atong functions ani. So, if the weaker one, kini ang position sa imong cane. No? Because the cane class is to compensate the weaker leg. So, cane, toe, point, gate pattern. So, weaker and the cane, followed by the good. So, weaker and the cane, followed by the good. So, where is the lever now? In the back. In the back. So, sample, Jeff.
Dito. Dito sa dito ba?
Ito i-alin sa.
Balik.
So, bali nato kanaman din ang weight ni Kuan. Jello sa right. So, just open. Then turn.
Asa mag-side
Then, so if you like class, magtaas-taas, kaya taaso na mo si Jello. Push lang nimo siya. Push lang nimo siya.
kung asa ang cane, kung asa ang weak part, ito ang cane.
So same class.
Ang
This is the pirol. This one.
direction.
So there are 4. So pirols. Then this is the hand grip in position. 6
Opposite.
centimeters. 6 centimeters. Oh, yes.
Dungan sila. Dungan sila.
Dungan. So this is the compensation.
No, dungan sila sa week.
Okay, good. Okay. So yun yung i-correct ha ang atong mga nanay na position sila wrong. It is the opposite to our weaker leg. So dili pwede nga kani siya o ang weaker leg mag-uban. It is a opposite.
Dungan sila sa
Opposite. So same yapon class, you try to do the crutch stance, the cane stance, no? Yeah, pwede yapon nimo to gamiton atong crutch stance. Try sa nimo siya, kung able na siya mo use with a cane during the ambulations. So sayon na, no? Because this is only with arthritis or this is only with osteoarthritis, diba? Arthritis, osteoarthritis man ang atong mga dagko nga joint. Okay. So, how to set? Same lang yan po class. Pag lingkod ni Jello, kaya na itong i-transfer diri to to. Then kani, yang i-attach din sa bangko, kini. And do the squatting position. So, pag tindog, same manner, push lang yapon ni Jello, then extend, then stand. Okay, now, move to the okay. This is cane.